Good morning, students. I hope all are fit and fine at your home. And welcome to our GK class. As you know, the full form of GK is General Knowledge. So, from today onwards, I am going to teach you GK. The first unit in GK is Our Natural World. And in this unit, we have 6 chapters. So today I am going to deal the chapter number 1, Natural Disasters. What is natural disasters? Natural disasters are events caused by forces of nature. They can cause heavy loss of life and property. Some of them can be predicted, so we can take precautions to minimize the damage. Now let's start the exercise. Complete the puzzle. This one is your puzzle. Complete the puzzle with the names of natural disasters. Some pictures are here of natural disasters. Take the help of clues given. Here are 6 clues, and these clues I am going to show you with the picture. The first clue is violent shaking of ground as a result of movements inside the Earth's crust. And the answer is earthquake. And the spell of earthquake is E A R T H Q U A K E. Second clue is lava, rock fragments, hot vapor and gas erupting through a vent in a mountain or hill. And the answer is volcano. Yes. And the spell of volcano is V O L C A N O. Volcano. And the third clue, overflowing of water from rivers into dry and due to heavy rains. And the answer is floods. And the spell of flood is F L O D. Now, fourth clues. A period when there are no rains causing a place to go dry. And the answer is drought. And the spell of drought is D R O U G H and T. Drought. Now the fifth clues. A large ocean wave caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic explosion. And the answer is tsunami. The spell starts from T S U N A M I. And the last clue, 6. A large rotating storm with high speed winds, and the answer is cyclone. And the spell of cyclone is C Y C L O N E. One more time, see. The first one is earthquake, second volcano, 3 flood, 4 drought, 5th tsunami, and 6 cyclone. After that, let's start the weather quiz. The weather can play a big role in our everyday life. With the rain, sun, wind, snow and heat all affecting our daily activities. So, take the quiz to see how much you know about climate and weather. The first one is, what is the spectrum of light that appears when the sun shines onto water droplets in the air. Here are two options. The first one, lightning and rainbow. And the answer is rainbow. Look here. This is your rainbow. A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. Now, second number, what is the name for the scientist who studies weather? Weatherologist and meteorologist. And the answer is meteorologist. 3. What is the instrument used to measure wind speed? Anemometer and the speedometer. Here is the answer, anemometer. And the fourth, what does a barometer measure? Atmospheric pressure or blood pressure? The answer is atmospheric pressure. Fifth, what is the short-term state of the atmosphere called? Weather or climate? It's weather. Weather is the mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather is different in different parts of the world and changes over minutes, hours, days and weeks. Now the next, C6. What is the air around us called? Hydrosphere and atmosphere. And the answer is atmosphere. As you know, the envelope of gases surrounding the earth or another planet. 7. What is the weather term for presence of water vapor in the air? Cloudy or humidity? And the answer is humidity. Humidity is the concentration of water vapor present in the air. Water vapor, the gaseous state of water, is generally invisible to the human eye. And the 8th, what is the main source of energy for the earth? Sun or moon? The answer is sun. Yes. Sun is the main source of energy for the earth. Sun gives us heat, light. And the 9th, in which season do trees and plants open new leaves and flower buds? Spring season or summer season? The answer is spring. And the last, 10, what are strong winds with thunder and lightning called? Fog or storm? Yes, it is storm. Storm is a violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong winds and usually rain, thunder, lightning or snow. Till then, goodbye.